In this video, I'm going to show you how to make the malachite chain bracelet, a delicate satellite bracelet. This bracelet is made by little wire links with the beads in between to the chain. So it's a really nice technique to know how to do. So if we take the materials from our bracelet bag in the subscription box and pop them onto the mat, we've got some 26 gauge wire which we'll be using to make the wire connectors. Got some 4mm malachite beads, some satellite chain, some jump rings and a bolt ring clasp. So firstly, I'll show you how to make some wire connectors. We need 2 of these made up ready for the end of the bracelet. So if we start by making those. So if we just get our wire unraveled, and I suggest for making the wire connectors, just cut around 8 centimeters of wire will be plenty. And the first thing we need to do is to make a wrapped loop before we put the bead on. So to do this, we grip the wire about 1 inch down with our chain nose pliers and then bend the wire to one side so it creates that right angle. Then we'll use our round nose pliers to grip the top and the bottom of the in the angle of the wire there, and bring the wire round to make a loop. And again, then take the pliers out and reinsert the lower jaw so that you can continue on round underneath the pliers to complete your loop. Then we need to wrap this wire a couple of times. So grab in your loop with your chain nose pliers, wrap the wire round a few times. It's nice and easy to work with this wire, but it can be a little bit fiddly as well sometimes. So when you've wrapped it round a couple of times, you can trim that excess off with your cutters. Just straighten everything out. And again, pinch in with your chain nose so that there's no wire sticking out. So now we're going to add one of our little malachite beads on. And then we're going to do a wrap loop on the other side, which will then complete our connector. So taking your chain nose pliers, bend the wire over to one side to create that angle. Round nose pliers, gripping top and bottom, pushing the wire up and over the top jaw of the pliers all the way down so till it can't go any further. Take the pliers out, reinsert the lower jaw and continue on round with the wire until you have your complete loop. Then we need to wrap that wire back down towards the bead. So grab the loop with your chain nose and wrap back down a couple of times towards the bead. And then trim that excess off with your cutters. And pinching in with your chain nose. So now we've got one complete little connector, and we need one more of those for the end of our necklace. So if you go ahead and make one more of those now, and then we'll come back and do the rest of the bracelet. Okay, so you should now have two complete little connectors. These are actually going to be used for the end of your bracelet as like a sort of a little extension chain. I make my bracelets to 17 centimeters with a 2 centimeter extension chain. You have got extra wire, sorry, not extra wire, extra chain if you want to make your bracelet a little bit bigger. So the next thing to do is to cut the wire, to cut the chain into 2 centimeter lengths. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So using a ruler, cut the chain into 5 2 centimeter lengths. I find the easiest way to do this is I grab the chain with the end of the chain with my chain nose plier, and then line it up on the ruler, pinch at the 2 centimeters, and then cut. You'll just need to be careful that you pull any sort of half open links out, because you don't want those in there where you've cut the chain. So you can see here I've got a half cut link, and I just need to get that out because we don't want that dangling from the bracelet. So, and then just put them to one side. So we need five of those, so we'll just do those now. Paused. Okay, so you should now have 5 2 centimeter pieces of chain cut up, ready to go. The next thing to do is to cut another bit of wire. Again, about 8 centimeters will be fine, just to create another wire connector. So like we did before, our wrapped loop, cut that excess off. And pinch in. So thread a malachite bead on. So now we're going to start adding our chain. So we're going to do a wrapped loop again, but what we need to do, because we're adding chain, is before we wrap the loop, is add the chain in first. So you take the wire over to the side as you would do normally to make the loop, grip top and bottom with your round nose pliers, reinsert the lower jaw all the way round. Now at this point we need to add the chain before we wrap the wire back down. So pick up your chain nose pliers and just open up that loop just very slightly. So just pull the wire away just a little bit so it opens up. Then take your chain. Now it's very small links, but it is a very fine wire. So just slide the chain onto the wire and back into the loop there. And just let that hang down. Close the loop back up with your chain nose pliers and grip the loop with the chain inside it, and then wrap back down towards the bead. Snip off any excess. And pinch in with your chain nose pliers. Okay, so this is the start of your bracelet. And we'll now do another link here with the bead and the wire, but again add in the chain in before we wrap the wire back down. So if we cut another piece of wire, approximately 8 centimeters, about 1 inch down the wire, grip with your chain nose pliers, bend the wire over to one side to create a right angle, round nose pliers, gripping the top and the bottom, pushing the wire up over the top of the pliers till you can't take it any further. Take the pliers out, reinsert the lower jaw, and it goes underneath, so you've got your loop there. So now this is the point where we need to put this end of the chain into the loop. So with our chain nose pliers, we'll just open that up just slightly and feed the end link on so that it sits inside the loop. Close that back up with your chain nose, and then grip in the loop with the chain nose pliers. Wrap the wire around a couple of times. Cut off the excess bit there. And pinch in. You can use your chain nose pliers to straighten anything up that you need to. So now we'll add a little bead here, a little malachite bead. And we'll do the same. Again, remembering to add the chain in before we wrap down. So at this point, you can just grab your chain nose pliers, bend the wire over to one side, grip with your round nose, up and over the top, the lower jaw, completing the loop. Open it up slightly. Take your next 2 centimeter length of chain, slide that on, close it back up, and then wrap the wire back down towards the bead. Snip off any excess and pinch the end in. So you can see how the bracelet is beginning to take shape. So we're going to carry on doing these type of connectors by adding the chain. We've got 1, 2, 3 more beads to add in this way. So we'll do that, and then I'll show you how to finish off the bracelet.
Right.
Okay, so the final connector we need to make is this end bead here. So 8 centimeters of wire and a wrapped loop, but we'll need to attach it to the end bit of chain here. We should be experts at wrap loop now. We've done a lot of them. So again, at this point, just prise open the loop slightly and feed the final bit of chain that's on your bracelet through there. Closing the loop back up, gripping with your chain nose and wrapping around a couple of times, snipping off any excess. pinching in with the chain nose. Okay, and then the final malachite bead goes on, and a final wrapped loop. Snip off the excess. Pinch in with the chain nose. Okay, so the final part to complete the bracelet is to add the clasp and the extension chain, which we've made up with the malachite beads, and that's all just going to be linked together with jump rings. So pick up a jump ring. So you'll need 2 flat tools to open and close a jump ring. If you have the opening up the top here, so grab 1/2 with 1 flat tool, and with your other flat tool pull the other half towards you. Slide on one end of the bracelet, and actually this end is the end with the clasp, so we can take our bolt ring clasp and slide that on as well. Let that all hang down, and then take your flat pliers and close up that jump ring, lining the ends back up, and just a little squeeze together so it's meeting. So we've got our clasp on, and then on the other end we're going to just connect these final beads, all with jump rings. So opening up, the end of the bracelet goes on, one of your connector beads, let that all hang down, and close the jump ring back up. Another jump ring, open up, pop the connector bead on, and another connector, let that hang down, close back up, and then the final jump ring. So the opening at the top, grip 1/2, open towards you slightly, and the end of your bracelet, and close back up. So what this allows you to do is to obviously wear the bracelet at different sizes, so you can clip it on whichever size you need it. You've got 1, 2, 3 jump rings to choose from. Okay.